Okay, how about Nnamdi Kanu? You said Nnamdi Kanu is a political detainee and that he should be released in the spirit of unity and reconciliation. Even when you know that since the time of President Buhari has been saying this matter is in court. Let the judges, let the courts decide.
Well, you know, I know the Kanu has been there for so long. He's been to several courts on several occasions. They can't even agree on what to do. And between me and you, Dr. Abati, you're a lawyer. Justice delayed is justice denied. This man has been taken to various courts. They don't even know which charges to give him anymore. This man was abducted out of this country. The manner of abduction was in itself illegal. It's a shame. It's a shame that this country will be involved in a thing like that. But they did it. Okay, now you took that gentleman to court and he's been there for years. If you want to take him through justice, dispense justice with him, and then that's it. If you're going to jail him, jail him. If you're not going to jail him, let him go. What's the point of just keeping somebody there? And all of us Nigerians should be ashamed that we are being linked to this. In the turn, it's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame that this is what we've turned this country to be. A Nigerian, a citizen, and you treat him like this in his own country. It's a shame. All progressive Nigerians should stand up and say this should stop. This shenanigans should stop. How long should we continue with this? If this man has committed an offense, sentence him. That's it. But if he hasn't, let him go. What is happening is wrong. It's wrong. To any right-thinking person, it is wrong. And Afenifere will continue to fight for whoever in such a position. That is what we are known for. We'll fight against any injustice from wherever it is coming from. We'll fight against it.
You hear it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or release him. Greetings, everyone. My name is MAP Eziokubundo. Now, the truth remains that Nigerian government are confused over Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the major reasons why they are still detaining Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the main reasons why they are unshakable, they are not even talking about his release. The government, the Tinubu administration, is not even focusing, or even they don't even know if there is somebody called Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in this current administration. You know why? Because the people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represent, there is no pressure coming from them. Yes. The people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for have moved on, forgetting him. The people that are being marginalized, that prompted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to agree to himself that he can fight this cause and all the suffering that he is passing through, the people have moved on. Many of the people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for only remember Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if their page is dead and they want to revive it. Some of them only remember Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if they want to revive their political career. Some of them only remember Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if they want the media to talk about them. One thing I will tell you is that Anahayota freedom now, you don't get freedom through begging. Please now allow me to have my freedom. No. Freedom is called freedom fighting. It's either you make it or you die. Freedom fighting is to do or die affair. It's either you get it or you die trying to get it. But in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he just comes to the front, hoping that there is men behind him. But unfortunately, when the enemy grabbed him, he turned back and see that he almost stand alone. He don't have the men. They deserted him, and he is suffering today. Afenifere saying the reality. I feel pity for the very young man who volunteered and submitted his life for our own freedom. Instead of us to rise up, power torture took place. It's a very pity. that we cannot even organize ourselves and unite ourselves in order to match our enemy. We don't even focus on our enemy, we focus on ourselves. I don't want to say much, but this video, after you watch it, how do you feel? 4 good years, Mazi is still in DSS dungeon, and this current administration don't feel that anything is, they don't, it be like they just keep file inside prison. Nobody is talking about him. Ohaneze ndị Igbo are gallivanting, Igbo youth and the Igbo people, the Biafrans, everybody is dragging who will be the pata. While meanwhile the man is in DSS suffering. I don't want to say much. You're listening. What do I know? God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless IPOB. God bless MAP. One love.